नमस्कार, मैं हूं मोनिका जायसवाल और आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया न्यूज हरियाणा। और आइए सीधा रुख करते हैं चंडीगढ़ में, जहां पर केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही हैं।
Prime Minister Modi completes 20 full years of serving the nation as an elected representative of the people in one or the other capacity. From the time he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat till today, where 7 years have gone as Prime Minister of this country, there is a consistent philosophy which governs our economic activities. एक philosophical root आधारित आर्थिक व्यवस्था में सुधार हो रही है। आर्थिक व्यवस्था में सबको मन में रखते हुए कार्यक्रम भी और स्कीम्स भी चला रहे हैं। वो फिलॉसफी आप सबको मालूम है, सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास। और इस अगस्त 15 को हमने ये भी जोड़ा है, प्रधानमंत्री जी के भाषण के द्वारा we got to know that we are adding also सबके प्रयास। सो सबका विश्वास के बाद सबका प्रयास भी। So in a way everybody is being brought in as भागीदारी in a economic activity which has to go in not small changes but transformational changes. So the Indian economy has to have very big transformational changes and not marginal every year incremental change happening. Last year it was like this year it has gone that much. It's a belief that major transformational changes should happen for the current generation and also the forthcoming generations to benefit from all the changes. But even as this was going on, you had Corona coming in, and as a result, industry bhi, chote ho, bade ho, they are changing their ways of business. There's a lot of digitization happening. There's a lot of robotics coming into manufacturing. Even small businesses are benefiting from supply chains which are a lot more mechanized, a lot more linked through digital. So rapid changes are happening, and in this rapid change, the philosophy of sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, and now sabka prayas is not forgotten. That is why you find that even as we are talking of ease of doing business and improving, facilitating businesses to do their work without worrying about license है, उसको renew करना है, इसको tax भरने के लिए 1000 forms भरना है, या inspection में कोई आएगा उससे बात करना, ये सब को हटा करके we are simplifying that process. That will benefit small and big. But this side, where people don't have resources, or people don't have properties, or people don't have, okay, so that people at the back are not affected. So when people don't have properties, so people don't have resources, how will they get liquidity? How will they get credit from banks to do their business? This is not a small problem. In most developing countries, the allegation would be those who have the money, those who have the capital are able to improve and earn more. But what about those who don't have anything? I want to underline the fact that BJP's Vichardhara, the ideology itself, is linked on two major understandings. That you have to be sarvasparshi. You have to reach out and touch everybody in the society. And you have to be sarvavyapi. You have to be prevalent and present in all parts of the economy, society, country. सो ये सबका साथ सबका विकास एंड सबका विश्वास also should include those who don't have any resources. They don't have 1 acre of land to go keep it in the bank as security and take loan. What do you do with those people? That is why, without making my introductory speech too long, I'll just flag 3 or 4 major schemes, all of which are there for you. I'm sure at different point in time you would have tested. ये हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही? Is it just a promise? Is it reaching the ground or not? I'm sure you would have tested. So for people who have no security to offer, जमीन जायदाद जिनके पास नहीं है, उनका भी बिजनेस करने के लिए थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन के लिए ही 2014 में ही प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने जनधन अकाउंट ओपन किया है. एंड व्हाट डज दैट डू? एट दैट टाइम, आप मीडिया में वरिष्ठ लोग हैं, आपको याद होगा बहुत सारे लोग प्रधानमंत्री जी को मजाक उड़ाए कि जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट है जी, इनको अकाउंट ओपन करके कौन इसका सर्विस करेंगे, बैंक कहां से खर्च उठाएंगे, इनका सर्विस करने वाले कौन है, क्योंकि हर अकाउंट के लिए थोड़ा कम फीस बैंक ले लेते हैं. मगर तब से लेकर आज तक मैं लगातार हर साल का एक नया स्कीम आपके सामने गिन सकती हूं, जिससे एकदम निम्न वर्ग के लोग के लिए कुछ ना कुछ उनके अपने कारोबार चलाने के लिए बैंक के द्वारा कुछ क्रेडिट फैसिलिटी, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन, डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर, ये सब हुआ है प्रधानमंत्री जी के पहले कार्यकाल में. जनधन अकाउंट टुडे हैज मोर देन 1 lakh crore as deposit. I'm not giving you exact amount, but I can give you the data. 80 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोग को उससे बेनिफिट मिल रही है. 40 करोड़ से ज्यादा अकाउंट्स है. Again, I'll give you the data. मगर उनसे, उस जनधन अकाउंट से आज कितनी दूर तक वो पहुंच गए हैं, ये भी हम समझना है. क्योंकि वो आर्थिक सुधार, आर्थिक आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जो कदम उठाया जा रहा है, उनमें वो सबका रोल है. Only because you have Jan Dhan account, only because you're giving direct benefit transfer, only because they have some kind of a know your client, KYC, जो बैंक में उपयोग में आता है, आज उनको मुद्रा लोन मिल रही है. आज उनको स्टैंड अप के नाते हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जहां भी एक बैंक का ब्रांच है, वहां वो एक एससी को, एक एसटी को, एक महिला को, हर बैंक, हर ब्रांच के, उनके अपने हर ब्रांच के द्वारा स्टैंड अप, स्टार्टअप लोन्स दे रहे. और आप, मैं जरूर हरियाणा में एक कार्यक्रम चलाऊंगी और आप सबको उसमें इनवाइट करूंगी. आप आके देख लीजिए बैंकों के द्वारा आज कितना पहुंच है कि स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट ब्लॉक लेवल में भी अगर एक पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक का ब्रांच है, उधर कम से कम एक एससी, एक एसटी, एक महिला को उनके अपने कारोबार चलाने के लिए पैसा मिल रही. और पिछले 5 साल से हर साल मिल रही है नया नया लोगों को. सो मुद्रा, स्टैंड अप, और जो सड़क पे अगेन बिना प्रॉपर्टी, बिना जायदाद, कुछ भी रेडी पटरी में सब्जी, फूल, फल बिकने वाला का भी आज लोन्स मिल रही है उनके अपने धंधा चलाने के लिए. मैं इसको क्यों इतना विस्तार से बोल रही हूं? अगर ये अर्बन फिनोमिनन आपको लगता है, नहीं, ये रूरल भी है. ब्रांच बैंक का हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सिर्फ शहरों में नहीं रहता, रूरल एरियाज में भी रहता है. और ये स्वावलंबन, पीएम स्वावलंबन is the one with which all these street-based vendors are getting their money. If this is very urban-based activity, if we think, in the rural, Swamitva, PM Swamitva, using drones in villages, however small your holding is, uska border डीमार्ट करके उनको छोटा सा उनका जमीन का पत्र दिया जा रहा है आजकल, so that in rural areas, how difficult is it for a poor person who owns a small piece of land to be dependent on the panchayat or anybody, some big man in the village saying, हाँ ये तो उनका है, मगर बोलने में कुछ नहीं है फायदा। जब उनके पास उसका कागज रहता है, जाके बैंक से वो बोल सकते हैं ये मेरा है, ये सिक्योरिटी रख लो, मुझे कुछ दो, घर बनाऊंगा मेरे अपना। For everyone, that piece of land document is an identity of self-respect. He believes that this is now his and therefore is able to monetize based on it. ये सब मैं इतना विस्तार से इसीलिए बोल रही हूं कि सबका साथ सबका विकास का रूपरेखा छोटे को इंक्लूड करके ही लेके जाना, बिजनेस को ईज करो और जिससे उनका बिजनेस कराना आसान होता है, जिससे एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी बढ़ता है। सो अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पिक्चर ऑफ द इकोनॉमी एंड ऑन दैट सेवरल थिंग्स, IBC, then I list out a lot of kanun, GST, labor code, IBC for small in the name of pre-pack, which we passed in the recent budget session, limited liability partnership. I'm purely listing out those things which pertain to Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs, which have a bearing on big and small industries. Factoring. I'll take 1 minute to explain what it is. You do business, you've sold some service to somebody, he doesn't pay you in time, but it will come sometime. To go and discount this bill, only some authorized people can do. There were only 9 such authorized all over the country. But you know the vistar in which small and medium enterprises are present all over the country. If they have to go search for this, one of the 9 and discount their bill, when will they get their money? So today, after that factoring bill, there are nearly 9,000 factoring agents who will discount the small businessman's bill so that he gets his money quickly and he can carry on with his business. Like that, a lot of thoughtful steps have been taken. One more and I'll finish, you can ask me questions. The Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Scheme institution which is there, used to give 50,000 rupees for any deposit which is lost in a bank or cooperative bank which is no longer functioning. वो दिवाला में चला रहे हैं, उसीलिए RBI उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल ले आए और आपके छोटा डिपॉजिट उसमें फंस गए, आपको पैसा नहीं मिल रहा। जैसे अभी पंजाब एंड महाराष्ट्र कोऑपरेटिव PMC बैंक का चला रहा है पिछले 2 साल से। So that was raised to 1 lakh much before we came, but that 1 lakh in 2019, I remember bringing the legislation, was increased to 5 lakhs. Now after increasing to 5 lakhs, it waited because only when that resolution happens, somebody comes and buys that bank और रिजर्व बैंक के द्वारा उसका रेसोल्यूशन कुछ ना कुछ तरीके में हो गया है, तब आपको मिलेगा ये इंश्योरेंस का पैसा जो कानूनन आपको मिलता है। We made a change this time and said we will not wait for resolution. After the Reserve Bank puts that पाबंदी, उससे 90 days के अंदर डिपॉजिटर को पैसा देना चाहिए। वो लागू हो गया है कानून पारित होने के बाद, that today 21 such cooperative banks, inclusive of PMC Bank, depositors will get 5 lakhs in their hands before November 29th, when the 90 days time ends. So for the 21 banks, on which cooperative banks, most of them, for which the Reserve Bank had brought in some restriction because there's something wrong, they do a forensic audit, after that they make sell the institution or go for a liquidation. For 21 such cases, our legislation, which was primarily PM's concern, he said, what is going on? Small depositors are suffering. Will they not get the money? So we made this legislative provision. We brought in the amendment. 5 lakhs will now be available to them. Like that. So the economic picture is not wanting small, marginal, incremental changes, but transformational changes. And for that, we are not forgetting the small and medium who don't have money in their hand, who don't have security, but we're giving them a lot of opening to have credit facility. And the big or the small should be able to do in a free and fair manner. So it includes everybody. It reaches out to everybody. And I'm glad to hear from the Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana that he has taken this one very main scheme. I'm so happy to hear it. That number of fraudulent ghost accounts have all been removed from the public entitlement schemes. As a result, both Haryana Sarkar and Kendra Sarkar have saved money. And he is now bringing in a scheme which has already started in implementation for identifying every family where there could be at least 1 or 2 members who have not received, even though they are eligible, some scheme. So he's widened the net, included many more people, and made all the central and state schemes talking to each other so that no one in the family gets left out. So that is that is a very, very imaginative, well-conceived
तो बड़ी और अहम जानकारी आपको बता दें कि देश में आर्थिक सुधार तेजी से हो रहा है, ये कहना है निर्मला सीतारमण का। उन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की, साथ ही प्रधानमंत्री की तारीफ करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि सबका साथ सबका विकास प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के जरिए मुमकिन हो सका। इसके साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि जनधन खातों से लोगों को बेहद फायदा हो रहा है, गरीब लोगों को बैंक सुविधाएं भी मिल रही हैं।